what inside is? Toy. Yeah, toy. You can open it yourself. You can give the toy. That's so cheap. I don't know how to open this present. But it's too packed. But it's spelling here, but I don't know how to read the spelling. I don't see. Bye-bye.
Who has given this gift to you?
Santa Claus.
So shall we open the gift?
Yeah. Okay, let's open it.
So whose gift is this?
It's for me.
Is it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Show this once again.
What color is it?
You tell me.
You tell me.
You tell me.
You tell me.
It's a red color gift.
And what is toy inside this red gift?
I don't know.
You know it.
No, I don't know.
Know it.
I don't know.
Know it.
So are you excited to open this gift?
Yeah.
How much are you excited?
Look.
A lot of excitement.
You.
Okay.
I'm showing me. Let's open it. What's inside? What? Hey! What's that? Is my sweater. What's that? Can you see it? This is a Santa Claus. It's very cute Santa Claus. Why give you this present?
Because it's Christmas.
It's Christmas time.
Yes.
So open thing is. Oops, this fall down. Let's try again. Oh, it will fall down again. Whoopsie, the present gave me. Wow! Wow, look at this. It's a book. It's notes. Thank you. Look, this is book. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. 7 books are.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Hi, Santa Claus. Thanks, Santa Claus. Bye. Take care. Merry Christmas.